Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect TradingView to your Whop profile. To begin, open Whop and go to the home page. This is the starting point for the setup, and from here you'll be able to access your account options and manage your profile settings. If you're not already signed in, make sure you log into the correct Whop account before continuing, since the connection will be added to the profile you're currently using. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile account. This opens the account menu where you can access personal settings and other profile-related options. If you're using a smaller screen or mobile-sized browser window, the layout may look slightly different, but the profile area will still be the place to start. After opening your profile menu, click on the Settings icon. This will take you into the main settings area for your Whop profile. Settings is where you can manage different account preferences, privacy options, and integrations. So if you don't immediately see the exact section you need, don't worry, you're in the right place. From the Settings page, click on Connected Accounts. This section is specifically for linking external platforms and services to your Whop profile. Connecting accounts can help streamline access and make sure your profile is properly tied to the services you use. Inside Connected Accounts, find and click on TradingView. This selects TradingView as the account you want to connect. At this point, Whop will begin the process of linking the two platforms together. From there, simply follow the on-screen procedure. The exact prompts may vary slightly depending on your account status or whether you are already signed into TradingView in your browser. In most cases, you'll just need to review the connection request and approve it so Whop can complete the link. Be sure to read each screen carefully and confirm that you are connecting the correct account before accepting. Once the process is complete, your TradingView account should be connected to your Whop profile. If the connection doesn't appear right away, try refreshing the page or returning to the Connected Accounts section to verify the update. And if you run into any issues, repeating the process carefully can often resolve simple setup problems. That's it for connecting TradingView to your Whop profile.